everyone. Today I am going to solve an Excel assignment YO19 Excel Chapter 5 Assessment Music Lesson. That's our project description. You can read this one and understand what you need to do in this project. We will move to our first step. Our first step is start Excel download and open file name Excel Chapter 5 PS2 Music Lessons. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. Save the file to the location where you are sorting the file. So I have already opened my file. That's my file. This is my file Excel Chapter 5 PS2 Music Lesson. And if you need help in online courses like computer science, business management, business and math, business and finance, human resource management, history, English, literature, nursing, psychology, statistics, information technology, applied science, or if you need help in Pearson course, Cengage course, Pearson Plus course, or SimNet course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can just comment on this video. So we will move to our second step. The data tables worksheet contains 4 tables listing the various prices and fees that fiddlers charges their clients. It is common practice to have all pricing table on one worksheet. Create name ranges for these tables will make it easier to refer to them from the other worksheet. On the data table worksheet, create the following range name. So we will go to the data table worksheet and select B5 to E8 cell data table worksheet. That's our data table worksheet. We will select B5 to E8 cell. Go to the formulas and here in the define name you will select this one, paste this one, rename as a lesson pricing and press OK. So in this way we have assigned our first range name. We will move to our other range name H4 to J5 as a entry fees. We will select H4 to, that is our H4 to J5. That's our range entry fee. And what is our third? B12 to E15 as a trans fee. B12 to E15. Select the define name as a trans fee. Press OK. While B19 to reach G22 as a uniform fees. We'll copy this and paste this one as a uniform fee as a B19 to G22. We'll go to the define name and here we will paste as a uniform fee. This range name already in this, so we will go to the name manager and we will select uniform fee and we will edit this one, make this one changes as a B19 to G22 and press OK. That's our uniform fee range name and close this one. That's our second step. Our third step is the student data worksheet contains data about all the fiddler student clients. The lessons price per hour varies based on the student's skills. In the cell I3, enter an index function with the match function. So we will go to the student data worksheet. That's our student data worksheet. We will go to the I3 cell. What is he asking? Is asking for index formula. We have used index formula. And what he is saying? With the match function to retrieve the lesson price for 1 hour located in the column 2 in the lesson pricing range name for each student on the basis of the student skill located in the skill level field. To prevent error being displayed when the skill is not known, use if error function to leave the cell blank. Copy the formula to I34. So we will select our formula. We will use index formula. Then our array is the lesson pricing. He tell us array is a lesson pricing, and row number. Here we use a match function. Start our formula. Which is our lookup value? Our lookup value is h3, and lookup array is, we will go data table. We will go to the data table A5 to A8. That's our lookup value. A5 to A8. While we need to use exact match, close our bracket, and then we will go to the column index. We will use second column index. Close our bracket and press enter to get our result. We have got our result 30, and he is asking for at the last says use if error function to leave the blank cells. So we will use if error function for this one. If error, if it is if error, that's the value if error, it should be blank, and press enter. So we have got our formula, and we need to copy this formula up to cell I34. We will copy this up to I34. We have made a mistake because we have not made this one as a reference. We unique reference, absolute reference. We will make A5 to A8 as a absolute reference and press enter. So now when we drag down this one, this formula will be clear. So you see we have got our result here. That's our third step. Our fourth step is creating a name range for all the student data. Will make it easier to retrieve data about each student in the table from the other worksheet. On the student data worksheet, create a name to the I3 to I34 as a student data. So we will copy this one. We will go to the student data worksheet. That is our student data worksheet. We will select A3 to I34 and go to the formula, and in the define names we will put this one as a student data and press OK. So our range name is selected now. That's our fourth step. Our fifth step is the lesson data worksheet contain the record for the select students. However, their skills is not included in the dataset but is essential to calculate how much they owe for their lesson in the cell F3. So we will go to the lesson data worksheet. We will go to the F3. He is asking for put formula here. Enter a VLOOKUP formula function that will retrieve the skill function for the student ID in the cell B3 from the student data range name. If the student does not have a skill based entered in the student data name range, the VLOOKUP will return to the value 0. Incorporate if function in the formula so that their value is 0, display blank cell instead of, otherwise their display value return to the VLOOKUP function. So we will put here as a if formula. We will go in the F3. We will start with the if formula is equal to if start our formula, and what is our VLOOKUP. We'll start this, and what we need to our lookup value will be in the cell B3 as a student ID, and table array is a student data. Student data. We have made this one. And what is our column index? Our column index in the student data is 8. While we need a exact match, we will select exact match and close our bracket, and we will press is equal to 0, and if the value is true, that will be this one. Then we will start a VLOOKUP again, and our lookup value is in the cell B3. We need to select again. And what is the lookup array? Student data. That's our table array. And what is our column index? 8. And we need a exact match. We will close our bracket first and then second and press enter. So we have got our skill required as a expert. What he is saying at the end, copy the formula through F29. So we will copy this formula to F29 cell. You see we have got our different result in the different cells. That's our fifth step. We have total 20 steps of this assignment. I have performed 5 steps in this video. I will show you a complete solution of this file I have in here. I will show you music lesson. That's the complete solution of this file. You see all the data tables are completed, all the formulas are filled properly. So if you need help in this assignment, or if you need help about this course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or if you want to deal for your complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can scan my WhatsApp barcode, which is given at the start of the video and at the end of the video. Or you can just comment on this video, so I will get you soon. And if you like my video, please subscribe my channel to get a new video updates. Thank you.